We're just going to keep going no-handed and cruise control for a little while. We're going uphill, so it's going a little slower now. I don't know why it's shimmying like this, though. There's lots of little flies and stuff. I've swallowed about 85 of them so far. There's tons of glass bottles over here last time, broken glass. I don't know why. Looks like it's still here. Anywho, yeah, let's see if we can do this whole section no-handed with a shimmying front wheel. Let me reposition my feet, because that's going to help a lot. I can balance with my feet, even though the front wheel is shimmying. But yeah, that's going to drive me crazy trying to figure out what's causing that. I know it was something I did. Oh, I love this tunnel. I'm so glad I remembered to have the camera on for this tunnel. There's some bumps and lumps over here. We're going to make it. Ooh, no-handed. Ooh, oh, okay, yeah. That's what's up. We did it. Okay. Jason and Chris are way up ahead. Rod's a little ways behind me. He's gonna get the most out of his battery today. He wants to ride for a while, and so do I, but I'm going 14 miles an hour right now. So, oh, broken glass. Oh, lots of broken glass. Oh no. Okay, we're good, I think. Too much broken glass on these trails, that's for sure. But if you watch out for it, it's usually okay. So we're just heading to the wetlands right now on this trail. It's a fun thing to do on a Sunday, especially when you're just cruising no hands with cruise control on. Gotta love the cruise control. Shout out to HAOQI e-bikes again for providing this awesome HAOQI Leopard Pro. It's my favorite bike to ride. I'm gonna get this front wheel situation sorted out and we'll be 100% again, but I've been riding this thing hard for 235 miles so far now, and it's still doing great. And this battery has quite a bit of range for a 20 amp hour. If you're not like full throttle all the time on this thing, you can be out for quite a while. So that's kind of what we're doing today, just cruising. Gonna cover a lot of ground without using a ton of juice. So yeah, it's East Henderson over this way. We're heading into more East Henderson from Las Vegas. We started in downtown Las Vegas this morning. So am I still riding with no hands? Seems to be. We'll keep it going a little while longer. I'm gonna get them to notice my wobble as I go by. Oh, tons of glass. See, check out the wobble. Watch my front wheel wobbling. You see it?
Yeah, I see that.
What the hell is that? All right, we're here, guys.